Now this is the Galaxy A36. In this video I will show you step by step how you perform hard reset, in another word doing factory reset through the recovery menu in case if you lock the phone by PIN or password. And this is Variety Stick, so make sure to subscribe, give me thumbs up. Without any further ado, let's find out. Now just before we start, you guys need to know if you do hard reset, means factory reset, everything on the phone will be removed. You're not going to have no information whatsoever after you complete. In addition to this, if you have a Gmail that was synced to the phone, also you are required to use the same Gmail account and the same password to bypass the Google activation lock screen. Now for the steps, make sure to follow everything I'm going to teach you in this video, because the Galaxy A36 is a tricky device, especially when you try to do hard reset. So make sure to follow everything I'm going to tell you. Now first of all, the Galaxy A36 doesn't turn off by itself in the traditional way if you guys trying to just shut the phone off. So we need to use different technique. I will show you everything step by step. Just follow what I'm gonna do right now. Now first of all, just press one time the power key where the screen lights, and then I need from you to press together at the same time volume down and power key, and you need to hold for 10 seconds. So you need to press these two keys for 10 seconds. After the phone shuts off completely, you need also to wait another 15 seconds, and then you press power and volume up. Once you see Samsung logo appears, not the Samsung Galaxy logo, there are going to be two logo, Samsung logo and then Samsung Galaxy logo. Once you see the Samsung logo appears, you remove from the power and you keep hold in the volume up. We'll go ahead and do that together. Now the first step, let's go ahead and power off the device by pressing these two keys, volume down and power key, and keep hold on both keys for 10 seconds. This is very important. Now release on both and wait another 15 seconds, and that's very important. Once you release from the volume down and the power, wait another 15 seconds, and after that you need to press power and volume up and be patient till you see Samsung logo, not the Samsung Galaxy logo. You release from the power and you hold in the volume up. There we go. I took my finger from the power only when I saw the Samsung. I'm holding on the volume up. Now we're gonna get this menu right there. You can navigate through the volume down and volume up. As you guys see, to select, you can press the power key. So we need to go to wipe data factory reset, and then the power key to select this option. And then we're gonna receive confirmation and warning that we're gonna lose all the information. So if we positive, we're gonna do it. Go ahead and highlight factory data reset and press the power key. The phone should start the formatting process, and then we'll take you back to reboot system now. And now the phone could take up to 5 minutes to complete everything, and the phone will be back as the same day you purchased the phone from the factory. Remember that you have lost all the information, and you are required to use Google account that was previously synced to the device. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here on Variety Stick. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in another video.